Welcome to day 19 of your 30-day meditation journey. Today's practice, Body Scan Mindfulness. Lie down on your back or sit with full support. Let your spine be long. Relax your arms by your sides. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep inhale and a long, gentle exhale. Bring attention to the natural flow of your breath. Let the breath anchor you to this moment. We'll now scan your body from the feet to the crown, noticing each sensation without judgment. Begin with your toes. Observe any tingling, warmth, or coolness. Gently shift to your feet. Feel the soles and the arches. Move to your ankles. Notice ease or tension. Scan your calves. Feel muscles and skin. Bring awareness to your knees. Observe any pressure or lightness. Shift to your thighs. Notice the weight of your legs. Guide your attention to your hips and pelvis. Feel the contact with the surface beneath you. Move up to your lower back. Observe any tightness or release. Shift to your abdomen. Feel each rise and fall with breath. Bring focus to your chest. Notice expansion and contraction. Scan your upper back. Feel the breath across your shoulder blades. Shift to your shoulders. Release any tension with each exhale. Move down your arms to your elbows. Notice temperature and texture. Shift to your forearms. Feel muscles and skin. Bring attention to your wrists. Observe any movement as you breathe. Scan your hands and palms. Notice contact with the surface beneath. Observe each finger from base to tip. Now bring awareness to your neck. Feel its length and support. Shift to your jaw. Release any tightness. Scan your mouth and cheeks. Observe softness or tension. Bring focus to your eyes. Notice eyelids and the space between. Finally, shift to your forehead and the crown of your head. Observe any sensations across the top of your skull. Your full body scan is complete. Let all sensations merge into a backdrop of deep presence. Take one deep inhale and a long, soothing exhale. Return to your natural breath. Notice how you feel. More grounded, more aware, more at ease. Take one final deep breath in and out. When you're ready, open your eyes or lift your gaze. You've completed Day 19, Body Scan Mindfulness. Carry this mindful presence into your day. See you tomorrow on MindForge. Take care. Bye-bye.